Hey guys, welcome back. So first, have some homemade batter. It's in the description below. Grease and line the pan. And the intro has changed, I know. Pour the batter and preheat the oven. And the degrees and everything is in the description below. Place the pan inside in the middle. And the recipe may not be uploaded in the description as soon, but maybe after 1 week after the video is uploaded. Once it's fully baked, you can test it by putting a toothpick inside and search it comes clean. And if it comes clean, that means it's baked. It's all trendy way of checking whether it's baked. Now we're gonna scrap the sides with the spatula, even if we have applied butter and placed the butter paper and lined it. And now I've baked 2. According to my recipe, I have baked 4 batter, and this cake was for a wedding anniversary. And this frosted cake, I had some regular already store-bought cream frosting, and now you're gonna frost it. I have placed it in a cake turner and have a cake plate, and the cake is ready now. I tried my best. At the side it came down. The reason was because the frosting was melted a bit because it kept it out. So yeah. Here are some of my cakes. This is the first cake, second cake, 2-layer. This is the third cake, New Year cake, another, and the last one.